NEC 314.16 dictates that junction boxes must be adequately sized to accommodate the number of conductors, their volume, and the volume of splices and devices, as outlined in Table 314.16a. However, an exception exists for factory-assembled lighting fixtures. This exception allows manufacturers to install luminaires without adhering to the standard sizing requirements of 314.16a. The reasoning behind this exception is that these fixtures are assembled and wired under controlled factory conditions. This usually means the conductor and splice volume is less than in junction boxes installed in the field. So why are these junction boxes so small? Manufacturers might design smaller junction boxes to reduce the fixture's overall size and weight, minimize installation space, and lower material and manufacturing costs. In this situation, what options are available if the junction box on a lighting fixture seems too small for the wiring and splices? Firstly, consider using smaller wire nuts or soldering the connections to minimize bulk. Secondly, carefully tuck the wires into the fixture housing or utilize a flexible conduit to create more space within the junction box. Thirdly, if feasible, explore replacing a lighting fixture with one that offers a larger junction box. Finally, consult with a qualified electrician for personalized guidance on the most appropriate solution for the situation. The primary concern is always ensuring a safe and compliant electrical installation, which may require adjusting the wiring method or fixture selection to meet code requirements. Always prioritize safety and adherence to electrical codes when working with electrical systems.